All right, so January 27th. So unfortunately, I had a problem with my recording. I do have a little bit to show you. So I'm just going to show you the charts, and I'm trading off an algorithm, so it is what it is. So it's not like, oh, you're making it up. It's on an algorithm. It is what it is. But I do have a little bit of the trades. It's just the recording got really messed up. So I'll show you the pieces I could show you. But I'll give you a quick recap on the day, basically. So on the 27th, right here, we traded QCOM, CVS, TWOU, and NUGT. I did not trade that well today. I did make some mistakes. So QCOM was a great trade. So let's look at that chart real quick. Okay, so then we had CVS. So yep. So we had no, wrong one. QCOM, yeah. So CVS. So then we had CVS with the simple switch. So we made a little bit of money on that one. I'll show you that chart in a second. And then we had CBS. I traded it again by accident. So this week I've had a rough week with accidental trades. I haven't really slept a lot this week. I'm trying to work on 2 other business ventures right now. So it's been 20-hour days basically. So CVS, there we go. TWOU, had a trade in that one, which I'll show you that chart in just a second. That one is a bummer, but you'll see it. And then NUG, I can't believe NUG. I've not had, this has not showed up with 2 losers in a row in at least 90 days. Actually going back now maybe 100 and change days of trading. Now it's not 100 trades. It's been a really long time calendar-wise since I've had 2 in a row. I only traded this one. Thankfully, I didn't trade the other loser, which I think was on this day right here, which you already saw that day, and I didn't trade it, thankfully. So good thing. So that tells me 2 in a row. I'm not going to have 3 in a row probably with NUG. So I'm going big on NUG next time. I'm going to, right now we're risk rewarding $100, but on NUG next trade opportunity, I'm going to do like 500. Now here's the downside. If it doesn't come this week, at the beginning of next week, I'm out of town and I'm not going to be able to trade, which means NUG is going to set up on one of those days. I'm going to miss out on that huge opportunity, and that's how trading goes. All right, so let's look at these charts. Okay, here's QCOM on the 27th. So we had our switch. This I just trade on the switch. I don't trade it on the normal strategy. So trade on the switch till I'm green. And basically here we go. So we had our switch happened right here. Jumped in at the close of the candle like I'm supposed to. And I ended up getting out right here, 156.14. So that was a pretty awesome move. Regained a bunch of that loss that I got on it from Tuesday or whatever day that was. Man, that was a bad day for this ticker. But so this gave me back a bunch of that, which was nice. All right, looking at the next one. Okay, so here we are with CVS. So this was on the switchback. So we had our switchback right here, and we were able to take advantage of that. But I didn't trade it well. You can see I got in right here, 73.55. My exit was right here. I missed this. I was preoccupied and did not have a stop or limit order in. And then when it started retracing a little bit, I bounced out, and then it went all the way. This was like a volatile candle up and down. So it is what it is. Took that unfortunate, that was my win on it. So that's how it goes. And then this I had marked up for something else. I don't remember why, but I did not trade. Oh, this was my accidental trade where I got in and I was just marking it up to see, what should I do with my accidental trade. So I was able to squeeze a couple bucks out of it and get out. All right, so then we had TWOU. Okay, so here we are at TWOU. This one, I will show you the video of it. I do have a video of this trade, at least the conclusion of the trade. I don't think I have the start of it. Anyway, so we had, this is on the switchback, not on the regular strategy. So we had our switchback, we're in. And this actually was looking like it was going pretty good, at least for a smaller, a little move down here, retest. But anyway, on its rise, I moved my stop. It's just the way the whole day was going. The market was selling off. This was on its downside already. So we had some retracement here of the gap already. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to put my stop at high of day. So I put my stop at high of day and was able to capture some of this sell-off. But really, I ended up, I don't remember what happened. Oh, I missed. That's what happened. I missed that. You'll see the video. I missed this this target right here. It hit the target. Would have my full profit on it, like $100. And then it slowly went back up, and because I missed this, and I was like, oh, I'm just going to wait for it to come back and retest. but I didn't want to turn this into a red trade, so I put my stop in break even plus a couple dollars, so like $10 profit or something. And then of course it did. It came back and retested this, but I was already out, so that's how it goes. And then NUG, I think we have it. I think I have this on video. So yeah, here's the day before was a loser, and then right here was a loser. So we had our this I trade on the normal strategy. We had our switch right here. We got our permission. I jumped in a tad bit late, and it just went straight loser. So I guess it's kind of good. It gets there quick and can be out and moved on. I can't speed bump this because it's hard to borrow. And yes, if I could have, then I would have recovered all my loss easily right there. But couldn't speed bump it. So next trade on NUG. Hopefully it's not on Monday and I get to trade you. And then if it's not Friday, it's not Monday, then maybe Tuesday or Wednesday would be an ideal time for this to hit for me. Wednesday preferably, when I'm back in solid. So anyway, so there you go. So let me show you the video I do have of this, and yeah, that's unfortunate. This is today's video. All right, everybody. See you tomorrow. All right, so we came. This is awesome. Super happy that we didn't get stopped out here, and that I moved that stop to high of day. So canceling those two orders, but what we are going to do is now move our stop to our entry plus a couple bucks because we made it pretty much 90% of the way. So we're short, so we're going to buy back. What's the spread? 10 cents. We're at 93. Where does 83 put us? We're supposed to be in at, yeah, 93. And what do we actually get in? Yeah, we got in pretty much right on the target. So cool. So we got our stop in. I just took into account for the spread. That's why I put it so far down. I'm going to go ahead and give this an opportunity to actually hit the target or break through. Although you can see we're tagging low of day area here. So this is expected resistance. So, or support rather, expected support. We'll see if this breaks support and continues to slide, or does this rebound up, get us stopped out, and we don't really make anything on this trade. Either way, it'll be a green day now, so that's pretty awesome. Slowly chipping away at yesterday's loss. If I would have just stopped this morning in trading, I would have took away almost all. I mean, I would have been only down, I think, $100 on the week. So not even. I think we'd be almost green on the week. So would have been sweet. But I didn't. I kept trading because that's the plan. And yeah, hopefully this becomes a nice winner. All right, so there you go. So I missed this. I missed the target right here, and then I had a chance to get out for a decent amount of money, but I didn't. And so that's what happened. So we went back up, got stopped out. You know, like I said, I have other stuff I have to do today besides being half asleep. But I had other business ventures I'm working on, so I wasn't able to devote as much focus and attention as I wanted to. At least it's a green trade, so we'll go ahead and put that in the log now. Let's jump over there. Okay, so we ended up exiting. What did we get out at? 40.86. It's too bad. Could have been a better ending. But either way, it's a green day. So slowly chipping away at yesterday's big fat red day. Man, it started off this morning awesome. Look at that. Would have been up 200 and change. Cut that thing in half. So go over to the dashboard. And again, yeah, it would have been sweet if today was like 230 plus this over here. We'd be looking good right now. But it is what it is. So tomorrow, I will not be trading tomorrow. Actually, I got a bunch of stuff I have to do out. So I will not be able to trade tomorrow. Hopefully Friday we can jump back in, pick up $300 and have a green week. All right, everybody, have an awesome day.